Yeah, I think generally, two sides of the story. One side is there is certainly the base effect and seasonality distort. So we wouldn't expect, this 10% double-digit growth to sustain for the entire year of 2024. But on the other side, I think it's also showing that, Chinese economy is not imploding, right? It might be weaker for various reasons, but fundamentally the economy is not in recession, not as bearish as, the stock market somewhat reflected in last year and earlier part of this year.
But is that what the stock market's reflecting, the concerns about the economy, or is it something else? Because we've talked about this so many times, Winnie, that in so much as if we're talking about growth, China has continued to deliver growth, but there are a lot of other things at play, whether it be property, whether it be consumer confidence, whether it be the geopol, and none of those appear to be getting fixed anytime soon.
Yeah, I think, clearly last year, if you look at last year, overall earnings growth, we're probably looking at mid-low single-digit positive earnings growth. But MSCI China was down 13% last year. So, actually the market suffered more than around 15% of multiple derating. That's really what's driving down the market. And the multiple derating is reflecting people's lack of confidence of earnings certainty, right? Earnings sustainability. And to some extent, that's also a factor of the policy visibility, the policy certainty, and of course, other factors of fund flow, geopolitical factors. Unfortunately, those are not getting better. But on the other side, I think China is also trying to make effort in terms of enhancing shareholder return. So clearly, in the recent earnings season that we're going through, in the past few days, we've seen companies across different sectors trying to make effort in terms of, paying out more dividend, doing share buybacks, or even just enhancing shareholder communication. So I think China is trying to make some, efforts, moves in terms of trying to enhance the shareholder return and help push for the, SOE re-rating.